Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, I will explain you how to create Roman number in lowercase. You can see this column B. All the Roman number are in lowercase. To create the number like this in Excel quickly, use formula UNICHAR. Then insert the row formula also and type this code A8560. You will be getting this code from my description box also. After closing twice, press enter, select this cell and drag it down. By this way, you can create Roman number in lowercase quickly in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.